How to get new app users on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get new app users on Temu. For this, launch open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. From here, you want to tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Now you can click on whichever option you want. If you select Fishland, then over here, you will have to feed the fishes to get rewards. Now, if you tap on the Get 250G option, here you have the option of invite and get free food. So you can basically invite new app users from here. You can tap on the copy code option. Now, tap on the copy code option and then you can share this with your friends, or you can also copy the link over here and then share this with your friends. You can also tap on all gifts option. Over here, you will have to pick 3 gifts. Now tap on the confirm option. Now here as well, you have the invite friend option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here as well, you are able to invite new app users to Temu, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.